first step we're doing is just kind of wiping this down with these alcohol wipes that they provided. Get rid of any smudges or dust.
We want to make sure the surface is completely cleaned and dried before we adhere the shell on to the surface.
So we're going to start off with the cup holder piece. So what you want to do is just kind of line it up and just kind of get a feel for it. It should fit pretty snug on your first try. And then once you have a good idea of where it's going to place, turn it over and then just remove this 3M adhesive tape on it. And then you're going to lightly line it up again and then just push down on it.
Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to place this over the cup holder area. You can remove it to kind of align it how you want it, but you have to be very careful how you do so. Okay, once you've aligned everything, you're just going to go ahead and push down pretty much where the adhesive was, which is pretty much around the cup holder, around the edges. And you're just going to press down, make sure it's completely solid. Okay, here we are moving on to the center piece. Working on the phone charger part.
Pretty good on your side.
And voila!
This part was a little bit trickier. Just have to play around with it, but once you get in a good spot, just push down firmly, and voila.